Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing the euro yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the euro yen, I still think this is very likely an ABC of 4, and we're probably eventually going to go back up for wave 5 to complete this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pattern we see on the monthly. Seems like a very, very clear 5-wave trend. Heading down to the weekly, I still think this is an A. Kind of looks like we may still be in that wave B, and eventually I do think it is going to go down and make a wave C. Keep in mind that this is a monthly weekly time frame pattern, and this is definitely going to take months to play out. Heading down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, after that big push up we got yesterday, it kind of seems like we are likely in a wave 1, a wave 2, wave 3, probably wave 4, and we're probably going to keep going up for a wave 5 of wave B. So the trend is definitely still up. I think that it's potentially going to go up to maybe the 138 or maybe retest the 123 before it potentially ends this wave B and turns back down. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we got a couple pretty significant breaks of structure. I think that these breaks of structure tell me that this really is the end of a correction potentially. So if it is the end of a correction, then we definitely should be looking for longs. I for sure wouldn't be trying to go long now, but I definitely would be looking to go long at any pullbacks I see, especially on shorter time frames. Taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So like I said, I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long now. The only thing that would get me to go long is if I saw this go down, then back up, and then down like that. So if I see a three-way pullback, that's where I'm going to be looking to go long. I'll throw my Fibonacci retracement on there. I'll look for three ways down. I'll look for a Fibonacci bounce, and I'll look for another entry to go long. Now, a lot of people see me draw stuff like this, and they think that I'm saying that it has to do this. It doesn't have to do this now. It could potentially keep going up and make little ABC corrections later on. I'm only representing that if and when it does make a three-way pullback, that is when I'll be looking to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Whether it happens now or whether it goes up more and does it later, doesn't really matter. It's just when it does happen is when I'll be looking for longs again. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked out here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.